Mathematics class for 5th standard. Children, in the previous class we learnt about factors and multiples. In this class we will continue that. Now we will learn about factor tree. Any number can be expressed as product of two numbers. This can be represented diagrammatically by factor tree. Children, now we will learn about factor tree. Before learning that, we should learn about prime factors. Let us see some examples. We can take 2. How many factors does 2 have? It has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Like that only we will take 3. How many factors does 3 have? Yes, it also has only 3 factors, 1 and 3, which is the number itself. Let us take one last example. Now we will take 5. How many factors does 5 have? Yes, it also has only 2 factors, 1 and 5, which is the number itself. Therefore, we can say that prime numbers are the numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Now we will learn about factor tree. In the factor tree, we will be given a number. We should write the factors of that number. Then we should write the factors of those numbers until we get the prime factors at the last. First we will write the factor tree of 24. How many factors does 24 have? It has so many factors. Now we can take 3 into 8. What is 3 into 8? 3 8s are 24. So we will write 3 and 8. 3 is a prime factor. So we will write 3. But 8 can be divided further. What are the factors of 8? The factors of 8 are 2 and 4. So we will write 2 and 4. Now the factors which we got are 3 into 2 into 4. 3 and 2 are prime factors. So we will write them below. But 4 can be further divided into 2 and 2. So we will write 2 and 2. Now all numbers are prime factors. The factors which we got are 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. In the last video, we solved the sums of 6th main from the exercise 4.1. Now we will continue the exercise. The next question is, find which of the following numbers are the factors of 24. The numbers in the question are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. First we will write the factors of 24. They are 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 4 into 6, 3 into 8. The first number is 1. 1 is there in factors. So we will write 1. 2 is there. So we will write 2. 3 is there. So we will write 3. Similarly, the numbers which are there in the factors are 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are the factors of 24. Now we should write any two factors of the given numbers. First we will write the factors of 6. 6 is divisible by 2. 3 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 6 is divisible by 3. 2 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Therefore, 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Now we will write the factors of 18. 18 is divisible by 2. 9 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 18 is divisible by 9. 2 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Therefore, 2 and 9 are the factors of 18. Now we will write the factors of 28. 28 is divisible by 2. 14 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 28 is divisible by 14. 2 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Therefore, 2 and 14 are the factors of 28. Now we will write the factors of 36. 36 is divisible by 3. 12 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 36 is divisible by 12. 12 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Therefore, 3 and 12 are the factors of 36. Now we will write the factors of 42. 42 is divisible by 2. 21 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 42 is divisible by 21. 2 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Therefore, 2 and 21 are the factors of 42. Now we will write the factors of 48. 48 is divisible by 2. 24 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 48 is divisible by 24. 2 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Therefore, 2 and 24 are the factors of 48. Now we should write all the factors of the given numbers. First we will write the factors of 9. In which table do we get 9? 1 into 9 is equals to 9. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. And 9 into 1 is equals to 9. Therefore, all the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now we will write the factors of 13. In which table do we get 13? 1 into 13 is equals to 13 and 13 into 1 is equals to 13. Therefore, all the factors of 13 are 1 and 13. Now we will write all the factors of 20. In which table do we get 20? We get 20 when we multiply 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5, 5 into 4, 10 into 2 and 20 into 1. Therefore, all the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now we will write all the factors of 26. In which table do we get 26? 1 into 26 is equals to 26. 2 into 13 is equals to 26. 13 into 2 is equals to 26. 26 into 1 is equals to 26. Therefore, all the factors of 26 are 1, 2, 13 and 26. Now we will write all the factors of 40. In which table do we get 40? 1 into 40 is equals to 40. 2 into 20 is equals to 40. 4 into 10 is equals to 40. 5 into 8 is equals to 40. 8 into 5 is equals to 40. 10 into 4 is equals to 40. 20 into 2 is equals to 40. 40 into 1 is equals to 40. Therefore, all the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Now we will write the factor tree for the following numbers. First we will write for 12. First we will write any two factors of 12. They are 6 and 2. 6 is not a prime number. So 6 can be further divided into 3 and 2. Now we got all the numbers as the prime factor. Now we will write the factor tree for 20. Which are the two factors of 20? They are 5 and 4. 5 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. 4 can be further divided into 2 and 2. Now we got all the numbers as the prime factors. Now we will write the factor tree for 28. The two factors of 28 are 7 and 4. 7 is a prime number, but 4 can be further divided into 2 and 2. Now we got all the numbers as the prime factors. Now we will write the factor tree for 32. What are the factors of 32? Here we can take 8 and 4. 8 is not a prime factor. 8 can be further divided into 4 and 2. 4 is also not a prime factor. 4 can also be divided into 2 and 2. Now we got the factors as 4, 2, 2 and all the 2's are prime factors. But 4 is not a prime factor. 4 can be divided into 2 and 2. Now we got all the numbers as the prime factors. Now we will complete the following factor tree by writing the missing numbers. Here the number which we have is 48. One factor of 48 is 12. Which is the other factor? Yes, 12 into 4 is equals to 48. So we will write 4 in the place of the missing number. Here 12 is divided into two numbers. One number is 3. The other number is not given. What will be the other factor? Yes, 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So we will write 4 in the place of the missing number. Here 4 is divided into two numbers. 2 is given. What will be the other factor? The other factor will be also 2. Here 4 is divided into two numbers. One number is 2. The other number will also be 2. Now our factor tree is completed. Now we will solve another question. Here all the prime factors are given. We should multiply the number and find the product. The first two numbers are 2 and 3. What is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So we will write 6. Next we have 5 and 2. What is 5 into 2? Yes, 5 into 2 is equals to 10. So we will write 10. Now we got two numbers 6 and 10. What is 6 into 10? Yes, it is 60. So we will write 60. Now our factor tree is completed. Copy all the sums from video to classwork and do this homework. Write the factor tree for the following numbers 36 and 18.